Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to cancel a pending order on Robinhood, step by step, updated for 2025. Let's dive in. Step 1, open the Robinhood app. Make sure you're signed in to your Robinhood account and the app is fully updated. Step 2, go to your Investing tab. Tap the investing icon at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll see your portfolio and current stock orders. Step 3, find the pending order. Scroll down to the pending orders section. Tap on the stock or crypto that has an active limit, stop, or scheduled buy-sell order. Step 4, tap on the order to open details. You'll see all the order information here: price, quantity, and order type. Make sure it's still pending and hasn't been executed yet. Step 5, cancel the order. At the bottom of the screen, tap the Cancel Order button. Confirm the cancellation when prompted. That's it. Your order will be immediately removed from the pending list. Important note, you can only cancel an order if it hasn't been filled yet. Once the market executes it, cancellation is no longer possible. And there you go. You just learned how to cancel a pending order on Robinhood in 2025. If this helped you, give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.